Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is up to date and that you have Chrome installed. Chrome for iOS doesn't support extensions directly, so you need an alternative browser that does. Once done, install a Chromium-based iOS browser that exposes extension APIs or developer flags. Make sure to allow experimental features in that browser's settings. This gives you the environment to load or install extensions. Now proceed to fetch extension files or access an extension store compatible with that browser. You now locate the extension package or search the browser's built-in add-on catalog. If you have a CRX or Manifest, use the browser's import or developer mode to load it. Once loaded, grant permissions the extension requests because iOS enforces stricter sandboxing. This step ensures the extension can access tabs, content, or storage it needs. Configure options inside the extension so it behaves correctly on mobile layouts, and test on a few sites. If it fails, retry with a simpler extension to verify the process. You finish by thoroughly testing the extension across common sites and in private browsing to catch permission or UI issues. If behavior is inconsistent, update the extension or reinstall it. Sometimes clearing cache or toggling experimental flags fixes conflicts. Make sure iOS privacy and content blockers aren't blocking functionality. If nothing works, try a different Chromium-based iOS browser or a lighter extension implementation. This final pass ensures stable operation and lets you rely on the extension for day-to-day browsing on iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.